these cans are so heavy. I know I organized it, but this recycling drive is no fun.
Well, Mother Nature has enough on her plate already with all the cycles she's in charge of. It's only fair we help her out.
What other cycles? I don't see her lugging around 30-pound bags of cans.
Ha! Well, she can't collect cans, but the rock cycle is a lot like recycling.
Is the rock cycle gonna help me lift this bag of cans into that bin?
No, but it might help you understand what recycling is. When we recycle aluminum, like these cans, we melt it down from a can into pure aluminum again so it can be made into something else.
I didn't know recycling the cans meant melting them.
Yeah, and that's what happens in the rock cycle too. The rock cycle is the Earth's process of changing one type of rock into another type of rock.
Okay, different types of rock music I know about, but different types of rocks?
3, actually. Sedimentary, igneous, and metamorphic rocks. The whole Earth is made up of these 3 types of rocks, and they're constantly changing from one kind to another through the rock cycle.
Wow, I thought rocks were just rocks.
No way. Let's start at the bottom, the very bottom. Deep inside the Earth, there's lots of heat. All that heat melts metamorphic rock into magma.
Rock melts?
Yeah, but it also cools. When that magma cools off inside the Earth, it hardens and becomes igneous rock, like granite. Other times, magma bursts from a volcano as lava. When it cools, that's igneous rock too, like pumice.
What happens next? Now I'm all into this.
Well, once the rock's on the Earth's surface, it's exposed to weather and erosion. The igneous rock begins to crack, crumble, and mix with other sediment. Erosion moves it around and deposits it in new places where the mix of pieces gets smushed together into chunks. These chunks are called sedimentary rocks. Limestone is a sedimentary rock.
And then?
Well, sedimentary rock is subjected to heat and pressure underground, such as when it's between the Earth's plates or in the core of a mountain. The pressure and heat turn it into metamorphic rock. Then the metamorphic rock melts into magma, and then it cools into igneous rock, and then...
Okay, I get it. Wow, so it just keeps going?
Rock cycle keeps on going just like we keep recycling.
So I think I get it. The rock cycle is the process of rocks changing from one type to another. There are 3 different types of rocks: sedimentary, igneous, and metamorphic. Physical and chemical changes like heat, pressure, weathering, and erosion all help change rocks from one type to another.
Hot stuff, huh?
Totally! Recycling is sort of like this never-ending rock cycle. Pretty cool how we can turn one thing into another, just like Mother Nature herself.
We're more powerful than we think sometimes.